Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to adjust opacity in Canva. So you can adjust opacity on images, on text, on shapes, whatever you're working on in Canva. And adjusting opacity on an image, for example, is a good idea. Say if you're going to put text over the top, so you can lower the opacity of the image and make the text stand out a little bit more. So it's really easy to do. So open up your image. So all you need to do is select the image and you'll know it's selected when it's got a border. Then we're going to click on the little checkered tab, which is transparency. So here's where you can adjust the opacity from like 100 down to 0. So you can see it makes the picture fade just a little bit. And I'll show you why this works. So then if I put the text over the top, it makes the text stand out a little bit more. If I have the opacity full up, you can hardly see the text. If I reduce a little bit more, you can still see the image, but the text really pops. So of course you can do it for the text as well. And I can click onto the text and adjust the opacity of the text. So this is useful if you're using it as like a watermark, something like that, over an image and you want the image to stand out more than the text. So that's it for today. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.